Hi, I'm Alex from Middlewich Machinery and I'm quickly going to go through the Toro GrandStand. So this is a petrol stand-on and walk-behind machine. To quickly go through the features, 48-inch deck, stand-on and walk-behind. Just going to go through the actual operation of the machine. So you can stand on the machine or walk behind. I'm currently stood on it. To fold it away, it just clicks in. Makes it more compact for loading and for storage. To pull that out, pull that latch. So your basic controls all in one place. So you've got your steering here, so that's sat in neutral. Hands on both levers, bring them into the middle, and then you've got forward and reverse. It's independent steer, like a zero turn, so you can send that either way. Your handbrake is on the left hand side here. It's all stickered up. So that's handbrake on, handbrake off. You'll need the handbrake on to start the machine. Next to that you have the choke. So for starting the machine, make sure your handbrake's on, choke up, ignition here, and start. Once the machine is running, push the choke lever back down. You've got your hour clock there, hydraulic tank fill up there, but that's not for starting, you'll be fine. Once the machine's running, you have the throttle there, that's all the way off, that's all the way forward for cutting. And then once the machine is running, you have your deck engage, so that's your blade engage. Flick that forward and the deck will engage. If it doesn't engage, it's either because your levers are in neutral, brought into the middle, your handbrake might be up, and then going onto the side of the machine, all in one place, you've got the deck up and down. So how this lever works is you press the button at the top, take the weight off, and the deck lowers down. Bring it back up, press the button again, bring it up till it latches down. If you want to change the height of cut for the deck, this is here on the side. So you've got from 1.5 inch to 5 inch as your range of height of cut. So what you do is you bring the deck all the way up, that clicks into position. Once that's on there, there's no weight on this pin. So you turn the pin, pull it out, and you put it to the desired height. Once you're happy, then click the button, lower your deck down, and that sits on the pin, and that is your height of cut. This is a straight petrol machine, so the fuel tank is here underneath the controls. The fill is there, like I say, straight petrol. There is no level on it, but you can see the tank to fill it up. For loading the machine onto a trailer, tie down points nice and easy on the GrandStand. So we've got 2 at the front, 1 on either front wheel. And then if you head over to the back, you lift the stand up, click that up, and that reveals the 2 tie down points on the rear. Common faults that you might find when trying to start the machine: the handbrake's off, like I said, there's a sensor on the switch there, so it won't even try to start. Handbrake up, it's in the correct position, it will now start. Again, choke needs to be up as you're starting, so that doesn't want to start. So a potential thing you might find is when the machine is running and you want to engage the deck, you may find this problem. So with the machine on, try to engage the PTO with the handbrake on. It doesn't start. Handbrake off and into neutral. The deck then engages. Something else that is easily done is struggling to change the height of cut. So the idea is simple, but for this example, the deck is down, the weight is on the pin, the height adjustment pin. So what you need to do is make sure that you take the weight off. So again, click the button, lift the lever up, click it into position. That way then that frees up, takes the weight off the pin to adjust the height of cut. So always make sure that the deck is all the way up and clicked up before adjusting the height of cut. So that's the Toro GrandStand. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with Middlewich Machinery. The details are below.